Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm finding more goodies in my Bullseye's playground, so I wanted to share them with you. First off, these little cups, they're perfect for a little make your own lemonade stand. They're all $1. The colorful stripe are by far the tallest print. They also have these little boxes, which would make excellent little gift boxes for $1. And they'd make a really cute little cash register or place to put your money for a little lemonade stand. They've got some decorative tags, all kinds of little signs, some chalkboards. These are only $1. They have the little lemonade lemon that you could easily personalize. It is a chalkboard, as well as the mason jar full of pink lemonade with the little chalkboard center. They have out some little ceramic lemon figures. Now they have the whole lemons and the lemons that are cut in half for $1 each. Here's another little sign, fresh lemonade. This one is probably the cutest to me, and I'm just surprised that they're only $1. They also have some little lemon wedge ice cubes for $1. And these reusable make your own popsicle or frozen treat tubes. They have the blue, the green in So Cool, the yellow in Yummy, and the pink Sweet Treat. They're also putting out some reusable lunch ice packs for $1. They're also putting out some yard stakes, perfect for making your own little signs. The chalkboard arrow is a great one. They also have the plain lemon for $3. Let me turn that around. So that's what it looks like. Then I spied this really cute sign, fresh lemonade. It's already done up in the little arrow on white. And then they also have the lemon sign with 50 cents already printed on it. They're also putting out some cute and colorful pinwheels. These are all really well made. It's a heavy plastic and the colors go so well with this theme. These are $1. They also have these little tin cans for $1 that would make a good little bank. They have them in the striped tip jar as well. Down here they have an acrylic pitcher. So this is $5 and it's got the pink stripes and handle. These are adorable little crates. This one in the darker pink with the lemon. They're all $3. And then they also have it in a lighter pink with a whole lemon. And they have it in the plain wooden finish that just says fresh lemons on it. These are super cute. This is another adorable item for summer. These little ceramic ice cream cones you could fill up with ice cream for $1. I found this really nice heavy canvas beach bag for $3. Some more summery pillows that were new in my Target dollar spot. These are $5. They've got it in the flamingo with the pink backing. They've got it with the pineapple, Says a pineapple a day keeps the worries away, and they also have it in the toucan. I found another pinwheel. This one's in the polka dot. And lots of miniature sets of pinwheels. They're definitely going for a pastel vibe over here for summer. This watermelon bowl is really cute. They're also putting out these little bento boxes in a few different prints and designs. So the strawberry one didn't have any dividers in it, and then they have it in hello with one center divider. The hot dog version had a little divider on the right side. And these lunch bags are really heavy duty. So they feel like a heavy coated vinyl. I wish that the camera could let you know how well they're made for $3. I think this is just a really nice little find in the Target dollar spot. They are insulated. They have those similar prints in these little sets of tongs for $3. They're doing the polka dot and stripe and floral. This watermelon bowl is so adorable. Now I'm not sure if these go with this set, but they're here. So they also have the glass bottles in a few different colors. Here are some more of the large bowls. So they have it also in the stripe. And it looks like they have a pink with a teal inside. They're doing little lantern string lights in the pastels. And it looks like some little dessert plates. So this one must have been separated from its pair. You actually get 4 of these in a set for $3, and they have it in the hot dog and the floral print, as well as the strawberry. And then they have sets of the larger plates that are the melamine in the stripe, and you get 2 for $3. They also have it in the floral and a teal stripe and a little polka dot on a white background. Now this is actually a pretty good deal. So these are sets of 4 cups. They look or remind me a little bit of a solo cup, but they're double walled for sure. They're a lot heavier than just a disposable cup. They also have these little squeeze bottles in the pink and yellow and the blue and green for $3. And even some little ping pong table tennis sets. Now these are $5, but you do get the paddles and the balls. Here's another set of their decorative tags, little chalkboards. And speaking of chalkboards, they're putting out some Father's Day items. It looks like this one is shaped to be a grill with a chalkboard for you to write a message for Dad on. They also have these little skewers with the different colored handles in blue and green. And some really cute camping stuff. So they have a bunch of outdoor themed camping items, from signs to decorative items, and then more necessities as well. I think this little bear is a cute sign. If you are decorating for even a boy baby shower or a little boy's room, these things are really a good price, and you get quite a bit to choose from at the $3 price point. Now these are little ceramic figurines of a little campfire for $3. So adorable. They also have the little binoculars. Now these are made more to lay down, but I think they just unloaded them, so they're just standing room only. They have string lights and lanterns, you guys, and they are so cute. So $3, they have them in red, and then I noticed they have them in black. You could use those any time of year. They have the little campers. Those are also $3. I kind of wish they had made that into a bank. They have the little bear. This did not have a price tag on it, but I'm assuming it was $3 as well. They also have these little mugs that definitely look like they're camping mugs or tin, but they are ceramic. So it was a bit odd to pick them up. They had a different weight to them than I expected. They have little camping activity sets for just $1 with all kinds of little blanks to fill in, like a Mad Lib, sets of carabiners, and a little tent light for $3. I just can't get over these little black lanterns. That would be adorable at Christmas as well. If you have Boy Scouts, you may want to check this stuff out. It's perfect for camping. They have little pop-up bowls and cups. I had things like this when I was a kid. I loved them. They have the little canteens in plastic. Different little sayings on them with a carabiner for $3. And some pretty cute printed socks that are all the camping theme. I love the little green with the bears and the little paw prints. Then down here they have the little drawstring backpacks. These are $3, and they had them in the red print and the blue. Then right next to that, they had a whole stack of different colored ponchos for $3. Now I'm not sure that this would fit an adult, but if you're looking for a poncho for a child maybe going off to camp, you might want to look here. They also have these little first aid kits, something you could DIY and fill up on your own. They are just like a pencil case one of my kids has, so I wanted to open it up and show you what's inside. Lots of little pockets for Band-Aids and things like that. They also had camping themed Band-Aids. I can't get over this campfire. It is just adorable. Now on to just a few things that they're putting out so far in my Target dollar spot for Father's Day. They have the little trophies. And they have out a couple of coffee mugs so far. This one reminds me of the Dodgers, just the print on that dad. They also have it in blue, the coolest grandpa ever, for $3. And these are not $9. Those are definitely the wrong price tag they had put up. I think they were just switching it over when I came. So these are little power packs for $5. They also have the slimmer pack. And of course, they're gonna put out a few signs for Father's Day. They are $3. Don't forget to enjoy the journey. I think this one probably belongs over with the camping items. They also have the football. The handyman is in with the little tools in the corners. And then they have the man, the myth, the legend. Those are all $3. And these little sets of hats are so cute. I was confused at first, couldn't find the price. They're actually coupled together for a father and son. You have Prince, 01, and King. And then these are a crack up, Mr. Broke It and Mr. Fix It. And the set of them is $5. Now I'm gonna just share a pillow I found on my way out the door that is the camping theme, a little bonfire. It is so adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what Dollar Spot is putting out, and I'll see you back very soon in the next video.